How to install Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover a process of installing Node.js on a Windows system. To begin, open your preferred browser. I prefer using Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you like. In the address bar, type node.js and hit enter. You should see the official website node.js.org appearing in the search results. Click on the link to access the site. Once you are on the website, you'll see all the current available versions. I recommend selecting the LTS version for stability. After clicking on it, the download will commence. The installer is relatively small, around 30 MB, so it shouldn't take long to complete. After the download finishes, double-click on the installer file to initiate the installation process. Minimize any windows that pop up. The setup wizard will start, guiding you through the process. Click Next to proceed through the license agreement and then select I accept before clicking Next again. You'll then see the destination folder where Node.js will be installed. By default, it will be installed in the program files directory. If you wish to change the location, you can do this at this stage, but I'll be sticking with the default setting. Click Next to continue. The installation will also include npm, which is Node Package Manager, which is essential for managing packages. Click Next to proceed and then select the option to add Node.js to the system's path. If you require tools for native modules, you can install them at this point. Once you have made your selection, click Install to begin the installation process. After the installation is complete, click Finish in order to wrap up the process. And to verify that the Node.js has been successfully installed, go to the Start menu or the search bar and type cmd and open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type node -v and press enter. If the installation was successful, you should see the current version of the Node.js displayed. So this is basically on how can you install Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.